Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. So in this machine component, how I'm going to draw is, I'm going to draw this bottom portion first, then I will draw this portion, then I will draw this circular cylindrical portion, finally I will draw these two portions. So let's move to the software. So Creo Parametric, just go to new, part modeling, just untick this use default template, just click OK. Now we are going to model this component using mm. So choose this mm in solid ABS, click OK. Now I'm going to take this front plane, just go to sketch view, again just go to the model. So our model, so this center length is 56 and this is the radius of 18. So for this you just go to, instead of front plane, just cancel the sketch, take the top plane, go to sketch view, just draw the center line, press the roller to confirm. So now just go to the model now. So 56, then there is a circle of radius 18, so then inner diameter is 16. Just go here, there is a two circle, here one more with a bow. So this diameter is 18. So the distance between these two circles is 56. So this is 56 by 2. This is 56 by 2. Just give fit screen by clicking this icon. So now we have modeled this one. Then the outer diameter is 18. Just so click the center one, this is, and one more, click roller to confirm. This is 18 actually, this is 16 and this is 18. This is 18 is a radius, so we just want to give 18 into 2. Okay, now just go to line, select this line, connect this two, press the roller to confirm, again just select this point and select this one, press the roller to confirm. Now we have modeled this. Now just remove unwanted edges by using delete segment. So this is we don't want, just remove it. This also we don't want, and just remove it. Now we have modeled the bottom one. So now this complete model is showing pink, that means that we can generate surface. So now click OK to confirm, just go to extrude. So press the roller to rotate your object. Now the extrusion length is 8. So just click this one, symmetric, give 8. Okay, click OK to confirm. So now we have modeled the bottom one. Just go to the figure again. So this bottom one we have modeled. Now we just want to model this 32 length brick, this one. So just go to model again, 32 and 10. So select this, select the surface, go to sketch, click the sketch view. Here we just want to draw. Further just take the reference, select this line, this one, this also, just click one. If you want you can make center axis also. Now just take this rectangle, click roller to conform. Now just see the figure. Actually the length is 40. This is symmetric length of 40 and the height width is 10. This is 10. So this is done. So now just click OK to confirm, then go to extrude. So this is the direction we just want to extrude. The total extrusion length is 32. Just click this, 32. Now click OK to confirm. Now we have modeled this. Just go to the figure again. This is we have done. Now we just want to model this, then only we can make this one. So for that we just want to create a plane here. So the distance is, so now we have plane here. So from here to here we just want to move. The distance from here to here we just want to calculate. Just go here. So this is the plane. So we just want to move. So distance is from center distance to here is 32 plus rad 18. So here you can see the center distance is 32 and then we just want to add this radius of 18. So 32 plus 18, so that means for 50. Just go to the model. We just want to move this plane to 50 distance. Plane, change the direction, the distance of 50. Oh, no, we just want to change into minus 50. Minus 50. So minus 50. Similarly, we just want to move this plane to here. So just go to the picture here. So we have the mid plane. So from that, we just want to move 4 plus 32 minus 10. So that means 22 plus 4. So 22 plus 4, 26. We just want to move this mid plane to 26. Just go to the model. This is the plane. Just select this. Minus 26. So now we just want to model our object in this plane. Select this plane. Go to sketch, sketch view, center line, no, not this one. Go to reference, select this one and close. Now we just want to draw as 2 circles. Select this first one and select this second one. Just click OK to confirm. The diameter of, just see the figure. So this outer diameter is 30, inner diameter is 20. Just go to the model. This is 30 and this is 20. So now just click OK to confirm. Now we see this is we have modeled. So we just want to extrude this model into this direction of a length of 10 plus 10, 20. Go to extrusion. So this one side only, this is 20. So just click OK to confirm. Now we just want to, now just go to the picture again. Now this is I have created. So now I just want to create this rib. So for this, now select this surface. Just go to sketch and do sketch view. Go to references. Select this circle as a reference as well as this edge as a reference. Okay. just click OK. Now just and one more thing, this is also we just want to take as a reference. Close sketch view. Now just go to line, select this line, and go here. There is a tangent to this, just click OK. Then again click here, there is a tangent to the circle, just click OK, then click OK. Now again just go to circle, click here, click this one and click OK. Now go to delete segments, just remove this segment, this is we don't want. Okay, now just so this swing surface indicates that we can generate surface. So just go to OK. Now go to extrude. So here this is I just want to extrude on this side, and the thickness of the extrusion is 10. Okay, so this is done, just click OK. Now finally we just want to make a rib in this plane. Just select this plane, just go to sketch view, yes, this is we want. Now just go to reference, click this edge, click this bottom edge, click this top end edge. So this is I think we don't want, just click, then go to line, select this one and select this one, click OK. Click OK. We have done this. Click OK to confirm. Then go to rib, profile rib. Now we have selected this automatically. The thickness of the rib is 12. So thickness of the rib is 12. Just give 12. So now this is done. Just click OK to confirm. Now just go to standard orientation. Now you can see. So just hide this all. So now we have done complete model. Now you can check with our picture. So this is our model we just want to draw. So now again you just go to the part. So this is the model we have drawn. So just go to click edges. So we have done our model. Now to change the appearance, just go to view, appearance, click this one, click this part, just click OK. So this is the model we have done our model. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.